SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or not, or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Sitting at $11.27, 8.7% off for the day. This is how my chart looks like. SERV Robotics, the only case in which I'd really take this thing higher is the following. It's gonna be if the price really gave me a double break. And here's the interesting part. It tapped here, and this can be counted as a first break towards the upside. And guess what? I'll generally just still wait, because there's a big gap in just indifference. But either way, if, like, honestly speaking, if this now starts breaking for a second time, I genuinely think that I'll be taking it higher, but I'll just definitely need to wait. Either I give a double break here and I take it higher, or it gives me a second break here and then I take it higher again. So that's approximately how I will be approaching this market. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one.